Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Felix Art and I'm showing how to use the paint tapered to shade. So guys, first of all, you have to set your reference right here, okay? Then you start to shade. So guys, what I'll do here in this tutorial, I'll be using the paint tapered, okay? So guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Felix Art and I teach how to use sketchbook app on your phone. So to look for this paint tapered is very easy. You just need to scroll down, you go to this section right here, you go to designer, okay? You go to designer. Let's say you want to look for the paint tapered, you go to the designer, that's where you sit. Now to do this stuff right here, I'll be using the paint tapered. Now to get the shading color that you need, you have to use the color picker. If you're asking where I got the flat color from, that's this color that you're seeing right here. I got this from the Copic color, that is E52. Okay, I got this one from E52. Now you want to create the dark color or the shading color. Use the color picker to pick from this side right here. Then reduce the luminance. You can take it down to let's say 20, or let's say to 25. Okay, then you can reduce the opacity of the brush. Okay, reduce the opacity of the brush, take it down to, let's say, somewhere around 50%. Now you can start shading. So before you start shading, because this artwork that you're seeing here, that's this one, I locked the layer. So this is it right here. That is the shading with the highlights and everything is in one layer. So it's not like the other ones I used to do. So this one here is different. So what to do here, you just need to lock the layer. But if you're not sure enough, like let's say you're not sure that you want to use this layer to shade, then you can create a new layer. Okay, you can create a new layer. So what to do here is that I'm going to start with this. I'm going to start with this side right here, that is this side. Okay, I'll be starting with this side. So what to do here is very easy. You will just do something like this. Okay, then you do something like this. So using this paint tapered, make sure that your hard air eraser is nearby, because you're going to be using the hard eraser to erase. Okay, I'm using your hard eraser to erase. So what to do in this part right here, you can use your hard eraser to erase. Okay, I'm using my hard eraser. I'll go to this side right here, click on your hard eraser, then you erase. Now using this tool, it's like it has changed the style I use. Like using this tool has make my work a little bit easy, because I don't need to use the smudge brush. Why I don't need this smudge brush is because I like the texture that I'm seeing. So it's because of the texture that I really admire so much. So like all this texture that you're seeing right here, I like them. So like it gives me that paint look. Okay, it makes it look it makes the shading look rough, not smooth and perfect like my old works that I used to do. I'm using the paint tapered to add more shadings like this. Now what to do here, you can use your color picker. Let's say you don't want to use your hard eraser. You can use your color picker to pick from this right here. You can use your color picker to pick from this section right here. Then you start to add something like this. Then use your color picker to pick from here. Then you will replace it with this shading. Now go to this place, use your color picker to pick from this section right here. Then you start to add something like this. You can see. Then add something like this. Now I'll go to this place right here. Then you do something like this. So make sure that you are in this layer. Okay, right here is for starters. Okay, so I'm just using the easiest parts. So once you are done with these parts, let me add some darker color under the nose. Just cover this part right here. So you can see, guys, we are almost done with the shading. This right here is very easy. Let's say you don't know how to use the smudge brush. These two right here is very easy. You just need to be adding more strokes. That's all. Then use your hard eraser to erase. You can see, very easy. I'll use the same color right here to add to the eye sockets right here. Then do the same thing over here. You can see. Now you can use your hard eraser if you want to use it to erase this part. That means you can create a new layer to shade the lips if you want. But I'll be leaving this right here. So please watch this video to the end so that you will get what I'm doing right here. You can see you can use this tool without using your smudge brush. It makes your work very smooth without using smudge brush. It's very easy to use. You can see that the work is just getting smooth. You can use it to render your shadings, like you can make them look smooth without using the smudge brush. You can see. So now guys, I will stop here. Okay, any question you have, you can ask me. I will be glad to answer you on the comment section. Thanks for watching.